This is the Juju dance at the burial of Mama Della May Sawkins and Chani in Bambui, near Bamenda, Cameroon. These are one of the last acts, but this is a very Christian woman, so we had a burial done according to Catholic traditions yesterday, and today this event is this event here today signifies that African traditions must persist, must survive and persist. This is in the backyard of my late father-in-law, Sir Vincent Nchani. Now I'm going to pause this video and resume it when my wife and her siblings joined the dance. What are we witnessing? Can somebody be saying something?
No, don't say anything. This is the last family meal.
This is the last family meal. And that is Achu, apparently the mother's kitchen. That's my wife eating getting her Achu portion. And she's going to... This is the symbolic last meal. My wife is speaking pidgin, which is news to me, right? But
Yes, I talk pidgin, so thanks.
Take bamboo. Do you know bamboo? How do you say in bamboo? How do you say? Manjeku.
I know this stuff.
Yes.
So grab what you're gonna eat. Okay.
So is that what you're gonna eat? So that's too small. Mama gives large portions.
Am I to eat all of it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I haven't had
The jump on back was an arm.
Yeah,
Other people will eat. Other people will
I remember I told
Okay.
right?
Yes.
I'm videoing. What are we gonna say? They told me that. That's what they would have been telling to me.
Intonation, her inflections.
Yes.
Did I say they talk for 1920?
Do what Tizai is doing.
so come on.
I'm not gonna say it on this. This is official camera.
Thank you so much.
You can't finish it. Where is everybody else? Where is Gina? Oh my God! Another masquerade has showed up. We have a saying in my place that aho cockroach akili okenkwa. You go ahead. I'm ready. You must finish on the food before you go out from here.
Okay, I guess I finished up. Okay.
Yes, then step out. Okay, baby, go first. Please, you can.
And here comes the.
That you'll be able to.
No, the one way you go out, the one for outside, this one way you friend the hall and talk.
No, that one correct.
Wow.
They chocolate. They're all on a diet.
But for that one,
You're on a diet. You can't be on that when you're doing that kind of event.
They're bringing water to wash your hands.
okay, but I have to do that. You can chop.
Oh, Mama, no, it's okay. No. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wash your hands.
Sorry. And this is a new chop chair. Having the last meal from Mama's kitchen. Will this place be demolished after this?
No.
Okay.
No.
This is a symbolic event. So we are going to memorialize this. And so this is Mbibong Nchami, the first son of the late Mrs. Delame Sokins Nchami, and he is also going to become the chop chair for the family. And from Maryland, USA. And now,
I knocked out my opponent already. There's no second round.
and now, and Gina is entering the arena. Gina, who is the second to the last child of Mrs. Delame Sokins Nchami. Gina is going to have her last meal from Mama's kitchen.
Yes, now you say go broke. Now you go broke. They will show you. No, use this one. No.
Gina, I will show you the trick. Get the food. Get started.
Yes.
You cook them. You put them for your hand. That's too small. Get more. Get more. They will help you.
It's okay.
No, they will help you eat it.
Let her leave.
Okay.
The space. You have problem of space. So let her finish first.
Okay, one at a time.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Gina is partaking in the last meal from Mama's kitchen. And this is a very symbolic event. And after this kitchen will be considered effectively closed until Mama's new rep takes over.
Okay, that way.
From her. This is Njama Njama. a very central Cameroon delicacy.
Okay, fine. They can then help you now. They can help you. They will help
Of course, I have to do that. These videos sometimes don't make sense without the narration, right? Yes.
you. Okay, fine.
Good job,
You
G.
can step out now. Yeah.
Proud of you. So who is going to come in next? And this is Camarika is coming in. Camarika is Mama's first daughter.
Take the quantity that you
And-
can eat, not much.
Everything that she does here is symbolic. It is rich in symbolism. So
Okay, open it.
you're going to get more of it because, yes, you get the achu, right? And then you're going to eat it. This is
Good.
Camarika
Yes.
eating her last meal from Mama's
Any
kitchen.
quantity. Wait. Yes, that's fine. They can then help you now.
Camarika, it's been a long time eating achu, so and Camarika is Mama's rep
Yes, you can then step out now.
in
Go and watch
Bambui,
No, madam,
effective when she finally takes that title on.
Madam, sit down, boy. Come here.
Camarika is going to bring out the achu bowl from the kitchen as the successor to Mama, and this is very important again and very symbolic. When this achu leaves this kitchen, that will be the very
You now can open it so that they
last act. Is that okay? She's gonna bring out one from her hand with her hand. Okay, it's gonna be in her hand, in her palm, and she's gonna bring it out, and that will be, I guess, her first act as Mama's successor.
Is yours?
When she comes out of here, this event will be officially over, but
This one is show say, yeah, mommy chop this your last chop.
Yeah,
This.
mommy, last chop, take her.
this is Mama's last meal.
Yes. your
Come,
friend.
okay. Yes, she's done it. I'm a witness. Hey. Okay, it is done. The achu is out of the kitchen.
Yes.
And
You want the Remy? You want
something, you want something strong?
You want the Remy?
I'm gonna have to camera us now. Capture something else. Something important is going on, and this is one of the masquerades.
Don't give anything.
Passing message.
Don't give anything.
I've already given something. Thank you. Masquerade. This is gonna be video, and that's my, of course, gorgeous wife doing some last act again.
Yes. Yeah, last
She's eating the last meal from Mama, and yes,
Really fine.
thank you. Your turn.
Oh man,
And
that is a long.
go ahead. Anybody, whoever is in line,
Next man.
maybe we're going from the back. You need to try to get him sit next. Okay. And this is Tiza. Tiza is the second daughter of Mama, and she is getting her last meal. The symbolic last meal from Mama. And
What's the people who know? When I call me people know.
And this is the way we're going to do it. All the children are going to have this meal. And this time they are going to get help because this meal can be shared. To have only the first taste. Yes, and that's Tiza getting the last meal from Mama, the last supper. Just like the biblical supper, last supper. Prepared by Mama's for the co-wives, and these are the wives of the men of the Nchami family. This is wonderful. This is Gina partaking in the last supper, Mama's last meal. This is the last meal that can be said to have been prepared by Mama, and every respect, every honor is accorded. And Gina is going to, yes, she's making sure that everything is done, dress right, dress. Yes. This is truly a celebration of Mama's life, and at this point, yes, Gina will take that last meal and then she will bring it out and share it with everybody who is present here. Good job, G. Yes. Good job, G. Now the food is out of the kitchen, and it symbolically means that Gina will no longer eat Mama's food, and that is very significant. Yes. And here is yet another masquerade in the backyard. Okay, we're about to witness the installation of Mbibong Nchami as the new chop chair since Alatum decided to resign the position, and he's been ushered in by the first daughter of Mr. Vincent Nchami. And these events are once again very momentous. So, we are going to try to capture as much of it as possible. Today he's going to be installed as the chop chair, being the legal representative of Mr. Vincent Nchami, and Kamarika will become the successor to Mama Della Sokins Nchami. And Kamarika is holding the one hand. As they walk in, he's going to sit down on the stool, and then my wife is behind. He is surrounded by the four sisters, Kamarika, Gina, Tiza, and Nella. His hand will be raised to symbolize that he has become the chop chair. This is all very important because under Bambui traditions, the Chopchia is the second son of the family, but he is hereby installed as Chopchia, meaning that he is the legal representative successor to Father Vincent Uchani, their late father. And he's been escorted out by people from his kindred, designated to do exactly that, play exactly that role. So I can